Welcome back students of class 4 to a e-learning class. Okay. As you know that we have already started our chapter soil, so I will continue with the same chapter. Today I will discuss conservation of soil. So I have written there on the board. Okay. So conservation of soil. See here, what is conservation of soil? The protection of soil from its erosion is called conservation of soil. So question I can write, what is conservation of soil? Okay, what is conservation? The protection of soil from erosion is called conservation of soil. Okay, we can protect or conserve we can protect or conserve the soil by the following ways. What are the ways by which we can conserve the soil? The number of trees planted should be more than the number of trees being cut down. Number 2, we should grow different types of crops in the same field to maintain the fertility of soil. This is called crop rotation. Number 3, in open fields, trees or grass should be planted to prevent soil erosion because roots of trees hold the soil tightly. Number 4, floods causes soil erosion, so dams should be built to prevent floods. Number 5, grazing animals like goats and cows should not be allowed to graze on the same area of land continuously for a long time because overgrazing reduces the fertility of soil. So overgrazing should not be done. Okay. Then number 6 point, step farming and construction of embankments help to prevent soil erosion. Step farming should be done. Then there is a embankment, then again step farming. Okay, this way step farming should be done, and construction of embankments should be done. That helps to prevent soil erosion. Actually, we are conserving the soil, means we are keeping the soil, because we are following some ways that soil erosion should not be there, and we can conserve the soil, we can protect the soil. This is the ways. So now the chapter is completed now. Then there are keywords in the chapter. Keywords are your one word answer. You must remember keywords are the one word answer. Keywords are the one word answer. You must remember this thing. So you will learn the keywords. Suppose example I am giving. Okay. Suppose the topmost layer of the soil. So answer I can write topsoil. Okay, this way you will do, you will learn. Actually you will learn this one. Now we will discuss the exercise. Now we will discuss the exercise. This is from page number 35 and 36. Okay. Number A is your MCQ. So I will discuss this one, MCQ. Number 1, which of the following soil is found in desert? Which of the following soil is found in desert? Is sandy soil. Options are sandy soil, clay soil, loamy soil. It is sandy soil. Okay. Number 2, the soil that cannot hold much water is loamy soil, sandy soil, clay soil. It is sandy soil. Number 3, strong winds and heavy rains cause deforestation, afforestation, and soil erosion. So your answer is soil erosion. Soil erosion. Number 4, loamy soil mainly contains, is it sand, is it clay, is it sand and clay? Yes, of course it is sand and clay. Sand and clay. Now I will discuss, I have completed number A. Now I will discuss number B. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, rocks break down to form soil or humus. Rocks break down to form soil. Number 2, the removal of fertile topsoil is called soil erosion. It is soil erosion. Number 3, soil is composed of dash, sand and clay particles. Soil is composed of gravel. Number 4, protection of soil from its erosion is called soil conservation. Okay. So number A and B we have completed. Now I will discuss the match the following. Okay. So I will rub the board now. Now I will discuss, we are discussing the exercise, page number 35 and 36. Now I will discuss match the following. Match the following. Those who have done, they will just check your answer. I am doing here. Okay. Column A, column B. Column A, number 1, crop rotation. Number 2, clay soil. Number 3, loamy soil. Number 4, floods. And number 5, humus. Number A here makes the soil fertile. Number B, soil erosion. Number C, soil conservation. Okay. Number D, contains sand and clay. And number E, can hold a lot of water. Okay. So let me do this one. Crop rotation, soil conservation. This is number 1. Okay. I will show here by both ways, line matching and number matching, but you will do in the book as number matching. Clay soil can hold a lot of water. This is number 2. Okay. Loamy soil contains sand and clay. This is number 3. Okay. Floods, soil erosion. And humus makes the soil fertile. This is number 5. Okay. Okay. So today I have discussed the maths up to marks the following. In our next class, okay, we'll discuss very short answer question. These are all very easy. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Number 1, name the soil that can hold enough air and water. You know this one. What do we call the topmost fertile layer of soil? I have told you underline that one. Which soil is used for making building? You know, sandy soil. Name 3 things present in the soil. You also know this one. And name 1 animal that lives in soil. You have to write name of 1 animal. We will discuss and also do it on the board. Okay. So thank you everyone, students.